Hi, in this demo video I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect DevicePilot into your AWS IoT instance. In preparation, you should be looking at this screen here, which is the screen you see immediately after creating your DevicePilot account, or you can get it from Connect, Get Started. Also, log into your AWS console and go to the IoT dashboard. So, the steps are pretty straightforward. First, we need to know your endpoint. Then we'll need to create a policy over in AWS IoT. Then we'll create a certificate over there, attach it to the policy, and bring the details back here. After which, we'll be able to create the connection. So let's go through that now. First, the endpoint. You get that from the settings menu in IoT. So let's go over here, settings, and here's the endpoint. We select that and paste it in here. The next thing we need is your AWS account number. And the easiest way to get that is to click on the support menu here, support center. And your account number is up here in the top right. And again, we're going to copy that and bring that back over to DevicePilot. Now we have that, we need to create the policy. You can see that we've created the policy document for you here using the information that's been given in terms of the endpoint and the account number. So before leaving here, if we hover over here, you see it says copy to clipboard. So we're going to copy this text. That's the JSON text that defines the policy. And we're going to go and create a policy that attached to it. So we go back here to our AWS dashboard, security, policies. Create a policy, give it a name. It doesn't matter what, but we'll call it DevicePilot here. And then we need to go to advanced mode, and then we need to clear this text out and paste the policy document in. Now, to be clear, this is going to allow us to read-only access to the shadow in AWS, and DevicePilot will not be able to make any changes. So we create that policy. Okay, back to DevicePilot. The last step now is to create a certificate and give those details back to DevicePilot. So we're going to use AWS's recommended one-click creation. We then need to associate it with the policy and bring the certificate details back here. So back to security, certificates, create a certificate, again using the one-click method. So here they are. These are the certificates. Now we need to download these now. Once you leave this page, you're not able to download this information. So we need the certificate and we need the private key. Because we're using the standard certificate authority, we don't need to download that right now. So we need to do two things here. One is activate the certificate, and the second is attach it to the policy. So we select that, select the policy we created, attach. Okay, so that's all the configuration in AWS. Now we just need to bring that information back. So you can see we've downloaded the two certificates here. So first we put the private key in this box, and then the certificate we drag in there. Okay, so that's all the information. So we need to now create the connection. You can see that it's created now. It'll take a few moments to update its status. Okay, and so now it is connected and we've received a message. And just to validate that, if we go over to The View menu now, we will see live devices that have just recently updated. So that's how straightforward and easy it is to connect a DevicePilot instance to your AWS IoT cloud.